What's up, everybody? It's Mr. Jenkins here, MGM Classic Cars.com, Addison, Illinois. Today I'm bringing you this 1976 Cadillac Eldorado convertible. Red paint, white top, beautiful color combo. Paint shines great. Car runs great. Red and white interior. Here it looks like you got some fender skirts. In the back there, engine runs great. Really fun car to drive. Power windows, power locks. Drives great, runs great. Climate controls work. You got a flip clock there. Fuel gauge is up there. Just a really, really cool car. Horn works. Huge hood, really big car, but really fun. If you're interested in this car, you call 847-848-1850. Again, that's 847-848-1850. We offer special financing for these classic cars with great monthly payments and shipping all over the United States to your door. You can visit our website, mgmclassiccars.com. We have around 250 cars in stock at our showroom. This car is located in Addison, Illinois. Make sure you stop on by. Our business hours and days that we are open are 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Friday, Saturday 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. all by appointment only. And I hope to see you here looking at this 76 Cadillac Eldorado. My name is Mr. Jenkins, and it's been a pleasure showing you a gorgeous land yacht. Have a great day, everyone, and don't forget to stop on by. Bye-bye.